Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to add friends on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below you can see you are provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon for creation and posting of TikTok videos, the inbox icon, and then your profile icon. Here you click on your inbox icon, and then you click on the activities, which is the first option here. After clicking on activities, you scroll down and then you can see some suggested accounts that TikTok suggested for you to add as friends, people you may know and contacts. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.